Kinematics of Machines, Module 2, Velocity Analysis by Instantaneous Center Method. Introduction. The method of instantaneous center is based upon the fact that any displacement of a rigid body having plane motion may be considered as equivalent to a free rotation of a body as a whole about some center called instantaneous center. Other names used for instantaneous center are virtual center, centro or autopole. Definition. Instantaneous center may be obtained by the following two methods. First one, an instantaneous center is a point on one body about which other body is rotating either permanently or at that instant. Second one, instantaneous center is a point common to two bodies having same linear velocity in both magnitude and direction. Properties of instantaneous center, very important. First one, at instantaneous center of rotation, one rigid link rotates simultaneously relative to another for configuration of the mechanism considered. Second one, instantaneous center is one about which body has pure rotation. Hence, for the body which is having straight line motion, the radius of curvature of it is at infinity. Hence, instantaneous center of these lies at infinity. Third, the two rigid links have no linear velocities relative to each other at instantaneous center. Fourth, the two rigid links which have no linear velocity relative to each other at the center have the same linear velocity relative to the third rigid link or any other link. Fifth one, an instantaneous center is a point about which one body rotates relative to other for a given position. Thus, it is a double point and is denoted by I12 or I21, I34 or I43, etc. Sixth one, it is possible to find velocity of any point of the body, the direction of velocity of 2 points, and magnitude of velocity of any one point is known. Instantaneous center by visual inspection. Instantaneous center of rotation which can be located by visual inspection are given below. The first one, figure A. The link 2 and 3 are pin jointed at B. Therefore, the instantaneous center becomes the point B, that is I23, is called as I23, is pin bond jointed itself. Look at the figure B. Figure B represents a turning pair in which link 1 is fixed link, the link 2 is rotating about A. Here, the coincident point A is the instantaneous center I, and it's known as I12. Then let's look at the figure C. In slider blocks, the radius of curvature is at infinity. Hence, the instantaneous center lies at infinity as shown in the figure. Look at the figure D. The link is sliding over a curved element. The instantaneous center is the center of curvature as shown on the figure. So therefore, I12 is center of curvature. Look at figure E. Two links having rolling contact. Then the instantaneous center lies at the point of contact as shown in figures E, which is I12. Look at figure F. The cam and follower shown in figure F. The point of contact is A. There is no pure rolling action, hence the instantaneous center of link 2 and 3 lies perpendicular drawn to the relative velocity of link 2 and 3, that is perpendicular to V A to A3. In a crank-stop lever mechanism as shown in figure 4, G instantaneous center link 3 and link 4 lies perpendicular to the drawn to the relative velocity of link 3 and link 4, that is perpendicular to V B3 B4.